This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. The Israeli-Palestinian conflict has been a major dispute between Palestinians and Israelis. The conflict began in the 1940s after the United Nations, UN, established a Jewish state in the region. The Gaza-Israel conflict took a new dimension following the election of the Hamas party in 2005. This conflict escalated after the Palestinian Authority collapsed. This event resulted in new factions that ousted the Palestinian National Liberation Movement, Fatah, from power. The Palestinians attacked Israel using rockets. Israel's blockade of the Gaza Strip has continued to redefine the future of this conflict. Israel is currently controlling most of Gaza's territorial waters and airspace. The government of Israel is currently supplying the region with communications infrastructure, water, and electricity. Thesis statement: The history of Zionism describes the aspects of the struggle between the Israeli-Palestinian and the Gaza-Israel conflicts. Brief description of the topic. The topic history of the Gaza-Israel conflict will focus on the issues surrounding the conflict experienced in Gaza. The final paper will offer a succinct historical analysis and discussion of the conflict. Many scholars believe strongly that the conflict has a wider historical perspective than many people think. The creation of Israel in the 1940s resulted in numerous problems in the region. The United Nations used a partition strategy that led to the creation of a new Jewish state. Many Palestinians in the region were unhappy with the decision. However, Israel began to conquer more cities and lands. Several battles and wars occurred in the region. The 1947-1949 war resulted in new developments. Israel had already conquered several cities and territories. Many Palestinians became slaves and refugees. The Jews decided to occupy the newly acquired territories. They gave such landmarks and territories new Jewish names. Many Israelites have been confiscating land from the Palestinians, thus resulting in new disagreements. Such individuals have rebelled because Israel has misappropriated their original land. Many Palestinians expected Gaza to be part of their state. This proposal seeks to examine the issues associated with this conflict. The final paper will focus on critical issues such as the creation of the Gaza Strip and Israel's treatment of the region. The proposal seeks to understand why these two sides have been escalating the conflict. Hypothesis. The Gaza-Israel conflict is a struggle defined by the historical events and upheavals that have dominated the relationship between Palestine and Israel within the last 6 decades. Research questions. The Gaza-Israel conflict is a major issue that describes the tense relationship between Palestine and Israel. The following research questions will be relevant to understanding the history of this conflict. What is the history of the Gaza Strip? How has the treatment of Gaza by Israel played a significant role in this conflict? What is the origin of Hamas, and what role have they played in escalating the conflict in the recent past? Conclusion. In conclusion, Gaza is currently a Palestinian state occupied by Israel. The Gaza-Israel conflict has continued to take a new shape due to the ideas supported by these two sides. Israel's decision to confiscate more territories has forced many Palestinians to rebel. This crisis continues to take new twists because Israel has been confiscating more land. The completed paper will explore the origin of the Hamas government and its major roles in this conflict. The paper will also offer useful discussions about the origin and escalation of the Gaza-Israel conflict. Did you like this Gaza-Israel conflict, history, and portents sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the free database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs, without even having to register.